why are we stopping in the middle of the street? Come on. Are you lost?
Hello? Hello? Anybody home?
What the fuck are you doing? What? I'm just gonna go around you because I don't know what the hell.
Yeah, but he's not Brett Favre. But he is a certain age.
I mean, he's 43, man.
He's 43. He is 43.
Figure out where you want to go.
I just gotta...
Mass hole left. Even in New York City.
It's all about your number. There's no point moving forward until you've clearly identified your goal. Stop and do that right now.
What?
Visit ChrisHogan360.com to take the free assessment. Saving doesn't mean putting life on hold.
Really? You're like 2 inches. You're like 10. You're like in the way. Get better back up.
This is how hard you flipped, though, Paul. You went from in an 11-month period. You went to Tom Brady as the greatest quarterback of all time.
Nissan drivers.
Which in the end, you ended up made from trees. Yes, trees. That makes your bits feel like they're floating on a cloud. They're designed to be the softest thing you ever put on your body.
It's always a tow truck.
Of sizes from extra small.
My previous jobs. My professional journey has taught me that money and retirement
Nissan drivers.
Just about money.
I just saw my...
Nope. Pioneer Transportation Corp. Nope. I didn't read it.
That's
like
worse.
if I go down, it's gonna be going down with my plan, my...
Thanks a lot.
My fucking plan. And for me, you know, in comedy, and I'm not trying to make you feel uncomfortable, but I think you're one of those people. I think I'm one of those people that I always kind of...
For real?
Perfect shit show.
You don't see a big ass truck in the center lane?
You're like city. It's like, what? I gotta do what? This spot's 12 minutes, 15 minutes. I can do this my
douchebag.
Yeah. One thing I have to actually credit is my wife.
Seriously, why do people think it's okay to do this? Seriously. I don't know, because I've been sitting in this traffic for like an hour now. Forget it. Yep, I showed them. I feel powerful now. I feel a lot better. My ego feels a lot better. I know what haters are going to come on here.
Their kids, no, you didn't get abused. That's a good pastor or whatever.
Yeah.
Comes out 20, 30 years.
Oh, and now, it's that black truck. He's decided to get horny and honk at the guys in the right lane for probably doing the same thing that he just did. Of course. You're going into the traffic cone. No way. Oh, you're ballsy. Jeez. Hello, everybody. Let's take a break from all that New York City traffic and let's head upstate to the Kingston area, where we have some drivers that suck at cleaning snow off their cars. Now, I know that the winter in Connecticut sucks this year, so I had to go to upstate New York to catch these guys. And oh boy, do I have a good one for you today. Let's enjoy. Because Honda! I know this place is called Kingston, but this snow clearing job is not deserving of royalty. So that's how UPS gets its packages delivered quicker. The UPS man doesn't clean off the top of his van. Oh look, it's a Buick. No, it's not Buick. It's a Mercury. You don't see those no more. Especially ones without snow. It's the same thing for that Ford thingy.
I had an acting gig. As I went into
you
great
missed the top of your
detail,
Scroobaroo and your Volvo. You forgot about the snow on your roof. Doesn't he look like that guy even cares over there? Drove a big dick truck. I can't clean it all at once. Are you kidding me?
Expect that eventually you become bored. What is the one thing they can't buy?
Neither can the Mercedes. We can't bother to reach up there. It's too hard.
Face. When I was in middle school, I was bullied a lot about my nose, so I'm really sensitive about it.
Got an avalanche going on.
I get
Well, that's all the time we have for this edition of Drivers Who Suck at Cleaning Snow Off Their Cars. I know that is sad, but I do have some good news. Spring is just around the corner. We don't have to worry anymore. Have a good one, everybody.
Besides when I was like, even when I was really young, it was more like Britney Spears or like...
Which you did an awesome video, by the way.
Thanks.
I was like, that was a girl after my own heart.
Conscious from falling gives no meaning to it all. It's not today and not tomorrow, just another day. Red light runner.
That's up from 17% in 2009. 26 effectively non-religious today. Jews,
dual
Muslims,
turn fail.
nuns.
You approach your parents to talk about retirement. First of all, remember that it is always about loving your parents and never about
Wait, why is that guy backing up?
Get an inheritance. Caring for aging parents should be an act of love.
Subaru drivers.
Not a runaway. Important to me. It's a reminder that this world is not our home. We only get to be here for a little while. And all these
up there.
blessings, we want you to keep in mind the key steps of a budget. Number one, start with your income.
Go!
You have to begin with what you earn. All of it. The side projects. The whole thing is found money when it comes to
pulled
the
over
budget.
truck. Let's stop for it.
Two, and an envelope filled with exactly $150 in cash.
Dang, there's no company name on the side. I can't make up something. Oh well.
As many as 70% of the people who receive some type of financial windfall end up broke within a few years. That is what I call a total waste of a financial blessing. As
I think every single person here failed. Why are you moving over here? There's no one ahead of you. You stay in the right lane unless you're passing someone. You stay in the right lane unless you're passing someone. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, I'm glad I decided to save it. So it's all for naught.
It's your ego. You wanted to still be good looking.
What the frick?
I think she's into that. So funny.
I've been there. We've all fucking been there where it's just like...
All of our early math showed that the 49ers was going to be 50% better.
You can go now.
And the Chiefs...
Why you stopped all the way back here? There you go. And look at how much snow is on that U-Haul.
What do you do about that?
What you do is you realize that
you just keep going anyways.
Math class.
Looked like he was going to stop.
Math curriculum knowledge that exists.
1/2.
Really?
Between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Really?
Oh, between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Yeah. Hilarious.
Oh, thanks, man.
So you were watching the game or tweeting? What were you doing?
You know what? I only tweeted during the halftime.
Holy crap,
because
that Honda.
I was actually watching the game.
Because
and enjoying
Honda.
it, and then halftime came up.
And because Jeep.
I started watching, and of course, it was very loud.
I'm like, I hope I got that right because I read that he put detergent on the floor, so the guards
looks
would be
like
able to get their
someone's
footing.
lost.
He put like cardboard in the fuck.
Does that look like an emergency vehicle to you? I don't know. I doubt it.
Okay, next question.
Let's move on.
No. So, here's the thing. I don't think a black hole
Really?
knows it's a black hole.
You owe it.
That's what I thought you might say.
Yeah, you owe it. And the way to, you know,
that's minute
part of
exit
it
time.
Is
Hey everybody, this is not a voice in your head, it's me! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider hitting that like button if you did, or if you disliked it, well, do that too. Well, anyway, next week we'll be heading back to Connecticut, so please subscribe and tune in next week. Have a good weekend.